Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Do arrest warrants expire? That's a question a lot of people wonder about, maybe hoping an old mistake will just fade away with time. The short and direct answer is no, arrest warrants generally do not expire. Think of a warrant not like a carton of milk with a use-by date, but more like a library book you never returned. The obligation to deal with it is always there until you do. A warrant is a legal order from a judge, and that order remains active, or outstanding, until the person named in it is brought before the court. It doesn't matter if it's been 5, 10, or even 20 years. The warrant will likely still be waiting in a law enforcement database. It's important to understand there are a couple of main types of warrants. First, you have a standard arrest warrant, which is issued when law enforcement shows a judge they have probable cause to believe you committed a crime. These are for new criminal charges. Then there are bench warrants, which are more common. A judge issues a bench warrant when you fail to do something the court ordered, most often for failing to appear for a court date. Whether it was for a traffic ticket or a more serious charge, if you miss court, a bench warrant is likely issued for your arrest. Now, there is a complex legal idea that gets confused with this, the statute of limitations. This is the time limit the government has to file criminal charges against someone. For example, the state might have 5 years to charge you with a certain felony. However, if they issue an arrest warrant within that 5-year period, the clock on the statute of limitations usually stops. It's paused until you are arrested and brought to court. So, the warrant effectively freezes the deadline, meaning they can still prosecute you a decade later when they finally find you. The real danger of an old, forgotten warrant is how it can unexpectedly ruin your day. You could be pulled over for a minor traffic violation like a broken taillight, and when the officer runs your name, that old warrant from another state pops up. You will be arrested on the spot. It can also appear during a background check for a new job, when you're trying to get a professional license, or even when you're going through airport security. The best way to handle a warrant is to face it head-on, and the smartest way to do that is by contacting a criminal defense attorney. An attorney can discreetly find out if you have a warrant, what it's for, and help you arrange a way to turn yourself in under more controlled circumstances, which often looks much better to a judge than being caught during a random traffic stop. Ignoring it is never the solution, because it will not go away on its own. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward answers to your legal questions.